Good morning. Here's going to be another example of one of our custom-built LS7 engines. This one happens to be going to a 67 Chevy Camaro. Again, there's a lot of ways to order these particular engines. Colors, valve cover designs, all different types of pulley systems if you'd like. This one has the hidden coil packs. We came in to like these things. It hides the coil packs, makes it look like the Chevy engine from the early days. This one is going into a 67 Camaro too. Made about 633 horsepower, 585 foot-pounds of torque. This happens to be one of our 427. So again, anything we can help with, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. Peace and enjoy the day. Thank you. Fire right up, RPM. Out nice.